Hey folks, how are you all? A very warm welcome and propelled, and today we're going to talk about a topic that's useful for every kid of our country. We're going to talk about the tax benefits for education in India, a very crucial one. Stick with me. Layman's may ask me, what is tax benefit? So in India, tax benefits for education actually refer to the various incentives that are being provided by government to encourage the individuals to invest in education, either for themselves or for their dependents. Now, these benefits are primarily being offered through provisions in the Income Tax Act. The aim is to promote education and skill development as well by reducing the financial burden on all the taxpayers. Primarily, there are three tax benefits that can actually be claimed by individuals in India. First one being deduction under Section-80E. So taxpayers can claim a deduction for tuition fee paid up for education loan up to 2 children. So this deduction is part of the overall limit of 1.5 lakh rupees under Section-80E. The second one being deduction for interest on education loan, that actually comes under Section-80E. Individuals now can claim a deduction for the interest paid on the loan for education loans for higher education for themselves, for their spouse, or also for their children. There is no upper limit on the amount of deduction over here, and it is available for maximum of 8 years, or the entire that is being fully repaid. So whichever comes earlier is the clause over here. Now, Section-80G, that is deduction for donations to educational institutions. So donations that are being made to specified educational institutions also are tax-free, and certain charitable organizations can be eligible for a deduction under Section-80G as well. To make you understand, let's create one scenario and let's understand via that particular scenario. Consider Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma, whose son Rohit is pursuing higher education. Now, if Rohit incurs eligible tuition expenses of rupees 1.5 lakh rupees, Mr. Sharma can claim this entire amount as a deduction under Section-80C of the Income Tax Act. This deduction reduces Mr. Sharma's total income by rupees 1.5 lakhs, leading to lower tax liability. Additionally, if Mr. Sharma takes education loan for Rohit, now, if he has taken education loan for Rohit, the interest paid on the loan is eligible for deduction under Section-80E, pursuing further tax savings. These measures helped Mr. Sharma financially support Rohit's education while optimizing his tax benefits as well. Now, after Mr. Sharma, let's consider the scenario of average Indian household, the Singhs, and how they can leverage tax benefits on education. Now, Mr. Singhs, whose daughter Aisha is pursuing higher studies. The family incurs tuition fee of rupees 1.2 lakh for Aisha's education. By claiming a deduction under 80C of income tax, the Singhs can reduce their taxable income by tuition fee amount, assuming they fall in the 20% tax bracket. This could potentially result in a tax saving of rupees 24,000 rupees, 20% of rupees 1.2 lakh rupees. This tax benefit helps the Singhs manage the cost of Aisha's education more effectively, and demonstrating how tax incentives contribute to easily the financial burden on average Indian households. You must avoid doing some mistakes, for which I am bringing you frequently asked questions for you. Number 1 in the list is, can I claim tax benefits for any education related expenses? The answer is complete no. Why? What is the reason behind it? Only tuition fees and interest on education loans are typically eligible over here. Ensure you meet the specific criteria outlined in the tax laws. Second question over here is, can I claim tax benefits for multiple children's education expenses? Yes, but there is a limit over here as well. Deductions are usually applicable for tuition fees for up to 2 children. Beware of these specified limits. Number 3 over here is, are all educational institutions eligible for tax benefits? Once again, the answer is big no, because only institutions specified by the tax laws qualify over here. Check the approved list to ensure the institutions are eligible for your deductions or not. Number 4 over here in the list is, can I claim tax benefits on the entire amount of education loan? Once again, the answer is big no, because only the interest component is eligible for the deduction part under Section-80E, and you need to ensure that you are separating the interest part and the principal part while claiming the tax benefit. Question in the list is there an age limit for claiming tax benefits for my children's education? Once again, the answer is no. There is no specific age limit. As long as you meet the criteria, you can claim deductions for your child's education expenses. Next in the list is, can I claim deductions for coaching classes or extra co-curricular activities also? No. Deductions are generally limited to tuition fees paid to the educational institutions. Other expenses may not qualify over here. Next in the list is it necessary to keep receipts and documentation for education related expenses? Yes, you have to keep them and maintain accurate records. That is crucial. Keeping the receipts of tuition fees and loan statements are substantial for your claims in case of audit purposes. Can I claim deductions for education loans taken for my spouse or myself? Yes, deductions are available for education loans taken for yourself, for your spouse, as well as children. Ensure the loan is taken for higher education only. The most asked FAQ is, can I claim both Section 80C and Section 80E benefits simultaneously? The answer is yes. You can claim deductions under both the sections for tuition fees, Section 80C, and education loan interest, Section 80E, if you meet the respective criteria. The next question over here is, are tax laws regarding educational benefits subject to change? Yes, tax laws can be amended. Stay updated with the latest regulations and consult a tax professional for most current information as well. We talked about tax benefits in education in India. Next episode, we're coming up with some more crucial information for you all. Stay tuned on